In this video, I'm going to show you an app to get cheap data from MTN. This app will help to save 50 to 70% cost on the purchase of data. So if you're tired of spending too much on the purchase of data, make sure you watch this video to the end so that you don't miss out on any important information I'm going to share in this video. If you are coming across my channel for the first time, you are welcome. On this channel, I teach you different methods that you can work from home and make passive income online. If that interests you, do well to subscribe to the channel and turn on your notification, so that anytime I upload videos like this, you will be the first person to get notification. So let's dive right into the video. So this is how the app look like. I'm going to tell you the name of the app at the end of this video, so do well to watch this video to the end. So once you log in, it will bring you to this interface. Now the first section that can use to get cheap data, you will see this hot deal. So from 10 to 10, they are going to be giving you different deals. So you can see the hot deal that I'm currently having. With 1000 I can get 3.2 gigabytes of data. Now the next section you can use to get cheap data using this app, you come to offer. You see offer here, you click on offer. So you're going to see the different offer that you have. Also in this section, you're going to be getting different offer from time to time. We're having the Tuesday offer, we're having hot deal and different offer you're going to be getting from these sessions. Then the next section that you can use to buy different cheap data, you click on this yellow icon to bring you to this interface. Then you're going to click on buy data. Then I'm going to click on categories. These are the different categories of data that are available. We have a data bundle, data plus voice bundle, and we have a social bundle, we have an international call, SMS bundle, visitors plan. If you are a foreigner, if you are visiting Nigeria for the first time, you can use this visitor plan to do your data subscription like you used to browse when you are in the country. You have the tariff bundle, keep my number. If you travel out of the country and then you want MTN to keep your number, you can come to this section. These are different plans are available. If you want them to keep your number for 2 years, 3 years, you can use this section to do that. And then we'll have the broadband bundle if you are using a broadband. So the one that I mostly use to buy data is if you want to do your social media plan. So you come to social media. I mostly go for the weekly plan if you want to do any social media bundle. You can see different plans are available for social media. Then you can choose the one that is suitable for you to do your social media bundle. We have the TikTok. For the TikTok with 400 I can get 2 gigabytes of data, which means 1 gigabyte data is just 200 if you're going for this option. Then we also have the second option, 200 for 470 MB for social plans. Then we also have other offer, WhatsApp bundles, Facebook bundle, depending on the one you want to go for. So I mostly make use of the weekly plan. We also have a monthly plan also, but I mostly make use of the weekly plan to do my social media bundle. Now, if you want to visit some educational site, you can use this SME bundle. You click on the SME bundle, then click on MSME learning bundle. So if you are using this option with 300, I can get 2 gigabytes of data, which means 1 gigabyte of data is just 200 naira. But this one is mostly for educational site. Now the next section that I also use to do my data from this app is to click on data bundle. So you're going to see different data bundles that are available. We have the daily, weekly and monthly bundle. So you can check the one that is suitable for you. The first option here is for YouTube. If you want to do a data that is specific for YouTube, you can use this first option. The second option is also for YouTube, Instagram. Then the next option here that I also use to do my data, this is for broadband. If you have a broadband, you click on broadband. So you're going to see different offers that are available. We have the cap plan, we have unlimited plan, and the monthly plan. So if you click on the cap plan, you're going to see different offers that are available. The first option with 9,000 I can get 30 gigabytes of data to be valid for 30 days. Second option with 14,500 I can get 60 gigabytes of data to be valid for 30 days also. So we have other options Then if you want to do it that allows you for 90 days, you can. If you scroll down, you will see the one of 90 days with 75,000 naira. I can get 450 MB to be valid for 3 months. That is 90 days. And if you want to do a data that will last you for 1 year, you can scroll to the last option here. With 225,000, I can get 1.5 terabytes to be valid for 1 year. They also have a 60 days plan also. So depending on the one you want to go for. So the name of this app is, if you come to your Google Play Store or your App Store, then type my MTN NG. So this is the app, my MTN NG. And the good thing about this app, if you are downloading this app for the first time, they're going to give you 50 gigabytes of data free of charge that you can use to browse anything on the internet. I've also done a video on how I can be able to do that, so I'm going to attach that video to the description of this video. So with this app, you can be able to get data at a very cheaper from MTN, and this will help to save you cost in the purchase of data. If you got value from this video, do it to like this video and so drop your comment at the comment section. If you're here to subscribe to this channel, do it to subscribe to this channel and turn on your notifications so that anytime I upload videos like this, you'll be the first person to get notification. If you want to get access to other ways to get it at the very cheaper from other network, you can watch the video that is showing next on your screen. You can check the description of this video. So I will see you in my next video.